Lined up on this table, you see an array of differential pressure transmitters. These are some of the most versatile instruments in all of industrial instrumentation. You can measure so many things with a differential pressure transmitter. At root, what they do is they measure a difference of pressure between two fluids applied to these ports, a high side and a low side. But you can use this differential pressure measurement to measure gauge pressure, absolute pressure, vacuum. You can use it to measure the level of a liquid in a vessel. You can even use it to measure the density of a liquid in a vessel, or the flow through a pipe. So these are very versatile instruments. They come in all different shapes and sizes and capabilities. From the left, we have the Rosemount Emerson 3051S with the super module. Next, we have a Foxborough Model 843. Next, we have a Honeywell ST3000. Next, we have a Yokogawa EJA110. Next, we have a Foxborough IDP10. Here we have a Moore Products XTC. Here we have an old trusty Rosemount 1151. And last but not least, the Foxborough Model 13A pneumatic differential pressure transmitter. As I said before, these transmitters differ in capabilities. Just to give you an example, this Foxborough Model 843 right here is a completely analog unit, all analog electronics inside. On the other hand, right next to it, the Rosemount 3051S is what we call a smart transmitter. It has digital electronics built inside, which can characterize the properties of the cell and correct for nonlinearities in its measurement range. It can also communicate with a handheld communicator using the HART protocol. In a similar fashion, the Honeywell ST3000 right here is also considered a smart transmitter. It uses a different protocol, but still it has digital electronics inside its electronics housing, and it can communicate with a handheld communicator produced by Honeywell, or with a control system that speaks that protocol. And using that communicator or the protocol, you can change the range of the instrument. You can check diagnostic statuses just like you can with the Rosemount unit. And they all use different sensing technologies as well. Some of these use differential capacitance, such as the Rosemount over here. Some use a resonant element, such as the Yokogawa unit. Others use a piezoresistive technology, such as the Foxborough. But they all do the same thing. They measure a difference of pressure between the two inputs.